Hello! In front of me I've got Xiaomi 12. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy, with a high of 8 and a low of 0.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.